Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Kif's Crypto. Now, today we're looking at a very different and unique project. It grabbed my attention the moment I looked at it. It is called ProdigyFi. Now, it is a DeFi platform offering high-yield dual investments, making it easy for anyone to earn yield with confidence. So join me as we take a look at the website and the platform. So here it is, guys. This is ProdigyFi. Start earning attractive yields with ProdigyFi's dual investment vaults today. So I'm going to go through the website and then I'll show you the back end, which is on testnet, but they are launching very, very soon. So the concept is you can set up these vaults. You have the option of setting up your own vault, or you have the option to subscribing to other vaults. Now, these vaults generate yields, and those yields pay out after a certain time. Now, ProdigyFi is a native Berachain project. They're also going to have airdrops coming very, very soon. You're going to want to get hold of those. And I will share my referral link in the description. Appreciate if you utilize that to at least go and check them out. Now, this project will suit a wide range of investors, whether it's yield farming, positioning an entry or exit strategy, or hedging your assets by creating vaults. ProdigyFi has a place for everybody. So you can earn yields while you position yourself to buy assets at a lower price or sell them at a higher price. Seize the opportunity to grow your wealth by capturing profits in any market conditions. Very important that. Set strike prices and expirations, provide liquidity, and seize high return opportunities with controlled risk. You maximize your profits in any market condition, as I've been saying. As you can see, some big names involved in this in terms of investors and partners. Obviously, the standout one would be Chainlink. They've also got Republic, and Cointelegraph is involved also. They're secured by Halborn. And the team background comes from Yahoo, Citadel, Microsoft, Oracle, Goldman Sachs, and Binance. I think they know what they're doing here. I'm going to tell you how it works. So as I said, there is the subscriber version or the creator version. So there's two different types of vaults. And I'm sure most people are going to be subscribers. So what you do is you choose your vault from a list of ready-made vaults. All these vaults have different strategies and different terms. Each vault has a predefined parameters like target price, duration, and yield, allowing you to select one that fits your individual investment goals and strategies. So you subscribe to the vault, you invest in your chosen vault, your funds remain in the vault until the expiration. Now, if the market reaches the target strike price after expiration, you buy low or sell high while securing your yield. At expiration, you receive a payout based on the vault's terms, regardless of the market movements. Your return is secured by the fixed yield, offering a straightforward way to achieve high returns. Now, if you're a creator, you're one of the guys that are on the other end doing the investing, trading side of things, you can create a vault by choosing your own conditions. Same thing applies, target price, expiration, and yields. This flexibility allows you to offer attractive opportunities while managing your risk. You deposit your assets to provide the liquidity and make your vault available for investors. The more competitive your yield and terms are, the more likely you are to attract subscribers. And expiration, if the market reaches your target, you profit from buying or selling at a favorable price. If not, you pay the yield to investors either way, balancing potential profits with risk management. It's a very well put together site. I really like it. And the first time you come across this, it does seem a little bit confusing. But after a little bit of time going through the site, it becomes crystal clear on what they're actually doing here. Dual token trading is for everybody. Become a trading prodigy today. And that's the website. And we're going to take a look at the actual app now. So this is the app. And the first thing you go to is subscribe and earn. Across the top here, you got your create vault, your portfolio, and my referral. As I said, it is testnet. It is launching very soon. I haven't an exact date for you yet, but I'm going to show you what happens with the vaults. So over here, you clicked your different token pairings. So let's for example, go with Doge USDC. Now we all know that Doge is one of these highly volatile cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the APYs are absolutely lunacy for some of these. You up here, you'll have your expiration time, your remaining capacity. As you can see, there is quite a number of vaults here for this one. So if you want to get involved, this is only 25 USDT left. You would click on subscribe. That'll bring you into this page here. And this gives you an example of what the return on investment would be on 10,000 USDC. This is how it works. This is the current price. This is the linked price. Current price is 36 cents. Linked price was 33. So you will receive 10,001 USDC if the price of Doge is above the linked price at expiration. And you will receive 30,306 Doge if the price is below the linked price at expiration. Over here, you have the ability to create your own vaults. This is the current pairings on offer. Wrapped ETH, Wrapped Solana, Doge, Sheep, and PEP. Then over here, you'd have your portfolio. All the different investments, because you're probably going to be in more than one vault at any one given time. Down here, you got your FAQs. How does the vault works? Each vault is a smart contract, which transparently and securely automates the actions required to operate throughout its life cycle, from managing deposits to checking the Oracle price to determine the settlement scenario and to sending the rewards. Each vault is created by an approved liquidity provider. The LP completes a form to create a vault, depositing the required liquidity in the process. And over here you have your referral link, which I will put in the description. So we head over to their Twitter, check them out on that. You see they have just over 10,000 followers. I've been following them. They are active, as you can see. 32 minutes ago they had a post up. 2 hours before that they had a post up. In fact, I'll give them a like and a retweet here, because I like this project. This is definitely going on the watch list for 2025. So good luck, guys. That is a ProdigyFi, a new platform which has a very interesting and unique take on investment strategies. As I said, it is on testnet. You got to be quick on this, I think, because they're going to be doing an airdrop soon. And once that testnet goes live, we're going to see an awful lot of excitement in this product. I'm sure of that, because it is well put together. It's backed by some big people in the space, and the people behind it come from absolutely huge companies who have massive reputations. But while you're waiting for things to kick off, head over to their Twitter, give them a follow on that. Check out their website, and these guys are on Discord. So you'll have to go over on Discord to check them out there, which I would highly recommend. So that about does it for ProdigyFi at the moment. Definitely going to be checking back on this somewhere down the line, probably at launch. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked today's video. If you didn't like today's video, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.